Hi guys, my name is Zita and I'm the same boudoir and intimate portrait photographer as before, but today we're going to do something just a little different. Do you also smell the summer in the air? Yeah, neither do I. Let's face it, winter has been long and cold as usual, and we're quite happy that it's almost over. So as we're celebrating Easter, let's look back at the winter and say goodbye, as I will take you to a behind the scenes of an intimate couple's photo shoot. Every time before a photo shoot, I tend to make visual plans of what I want to do. I'm naturally overambitious, and writing plans is my jam. However, so is losing the bits of papers that I write them to. Therefore, I'm always a bit worried that I will forget something. Luckily, on this day, I was driving my car and I could just throw everything into an IKEA bag. I'm going to do a photo shoot with Sissel and Yukke. You might remember Sissel from one of my previous videos. But now I'm going to photograph her together with her husband in an intimate setting of their own home at a very special time of their life. This is how I work. I usually spend a certain amount of time on a pose, asking for different expressions and small changes. And I literally run around all the time to get the best out of one setup. When it comes to couples, I also tend to spend less time posing and leaving much more time to the couple to do their own thing, to be natural and use their chemistry as a drive instead of pushing something. And these guys are always so sweet together, especially now. Take me to your heart. I belong to you. Take me to your soul. It's been a while since the photo shoot, and they have become parents to a little baby girl a couple of weeks ago. So big congratulations to you guys, and I hope to see you soon.